Understanding Yawning Openly, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in English, yawning openly. We'll explore what it means, its usage, and some interesting contexts. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of this expressive phrase. Yawning is a natural human action, often associated with tiredness, boredom, or sleepiness. To yawn openly implies doing so without covering one's mouth or trying to hide it. This phrase can convey a range of emotions or social signals. It might indicate tiredness, boredom, or even rudeness in certain contexts. Understanding the subtleties of this phrase helps in grasping the nuances of English communication. In many cultures, yawning openly is considered impolite or inappropriate, especially in public or formal settings. It's often expected that one covers their mouth or tries to suppress a yawn. This section explores how this phrase fits into various social and cultural scenarios, emphasizing the importance of understanding cultural norms in language. Let's look at some practical examples. During a long meeting, I noticed several people yawning openly, which indicated their disinterest. Yawning openly in the middle of the conversation can be perceived as rude or that you're not paying attention. These examples demonstrate how the phrase can be used in everyday English, providing learners with real-life contexts. Here, we delve into phrases similar to yawning openly, like blinking back sleep, stretching lazily, or suppressing a yawn. Understanding these related expressions can enrich learners' vocabulary and grasp of English expressions. We hope this video has been enlightening and helpful in understanding the phrase, yawning openly, and its nuances. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the cultural and social contexts they are used in. Stay curious, and keep learning. See you in our next video.